Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post store on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can actually just head over and then try to change your plan. So click on settings and then from in there, just click on plan. And in here, you should be able to see the status of your plan. So in order to post your store, you can cancel your trial or you can also cancel your subscription. So just click on this thing right here. And once you have clicked on this, you should be able to actually make your store inactive, or you can also make it pause. So by doing this, it will actually close your store and it will actually just resume once you have changed or chose a plan that is applicable to you or once you have resubscribed to Shopify. So it can also be enabled or it can be paused automatically if you are on a trial like me. So it will actually pause once the 3 days trial is up. And once it is up, it will pause and I can just resume it once I have opened in here my specific plan that I have chosen. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.